What is that?
That's a broom. You know what? Can you imagine? In that cage, Hector, I beat that Dolly you-know-what out of him, but I'm back. But you know what? That Gordman, and I love this because I've been up to a lot of places. I drink a lot of different beer. I've done a lot of things. But Hector, you're going to pay, and you know what? Gordman, I never knew this, but Gordman's going to be in a rat cage up there. Tell the people, there's no way Gordman can extract me. And if you idiots out there don't know what that is, I ain't going to tell you. Gordman's going to be hung up above the ring. How many feet? How many feet?
Gordman will be in the rat cage. It's 50 foot high right over the ring so everybody can see it.
And I'm in there with Hector. What's Gordman going to do then? What is Gordman? There's no way Gordman can get down in there after me. Hector, I'm going to beat you like a dirty, stinking taco. I'm going to step and I'm going to stomp on you, boy. You hear me? Now, with Gordman, I ain't going to holler no more because these people are stupid. They can't answer. They can't understand, so I'll talk quiet. But I ain't going to talk quiet. Hector, I got you in that cage, 20-foot cage, 50-foot cage. But Gordman's up above, and there's nothing Gordman can do. And you know what I heard? I heard his brother run Chavo. He was afraid to even come down. So what do you think's going to happen in that cage match? What do you think's going to happen?
Well, I'm going to be here to see it, and then I'll find out for sure.
You know I'm going to beat the hell out of him. You know darn well I'm going to beat Hector. I'm going to beat you once and for all and get rid of you. Gordman, I'm going to beat you. Chavo, I'm going to beat you. And then me, Piper, and Bass is just going to sweep everybody out.
Well, that's Moondog.